Cloud managed services have been all the rage over recent years. And while small companies may not take advantage of them as readily, larger firms are turning to this innovative way of handling their business. However, no matter how big or small they might be, every company is looking for ways to make cloud technology work best for them. Cloud managed services are increasingly popular for many reasons. One of the main drivers is that in spite of high initial deployment costs, organizations want their infrastructures to be on the cloud platform so they can extract more functionalities from it and maximize ROI with a lower cost per VM allocated because there's no need to purchase an expensive physical server anymore. In order to make your move from on-premise services to the cloud, you need a managed service provider. They will assess your business model and provide advice based on what they find for which applications might work best with their subscription management system. They're held back by technicalities. Let them do it all. If you're looking for a way to improve your services, then cloud managed services may be the answer. Cloud managed services offer a lot of benefits that can help any business grow. In this video, we will explore 7 benefits of cloud managed services and how they can benefit your company. Cloud managed service. When it comes to cloud managed services, you need to know the basics. It's important for your business or organization that such a service is taken advantage of because this will make everything easier and more efficient in every way possible. To understand what exactly are cloud managed services, the first one needs to have an idea about different platforms and their features and benefits provided by these technologies, including how they can help businesses be successful. CMSs are built with enterprise-level security and enable enterprises and personnel to access all devices from anywhere at any time, even when traveling outside office hours. With a managed service provider, you have the added benefit of letting an expert handle your needs. In addition, they offer end-to-end solutions which will save time and money while improving business operations considerably. Managed services providers give companies like yours access to expertise in order for them to be more efficient when it comes down to managing their day-to-day tasks. The result is a win all around. As discussed earlier, there are huge benefits of taking cloud managed services, and all of them will be discussed below so that you can help you out in taking any important business decision regarding cloud managed services. Predictable price and scalability. One of the best things about taking managed services is that everything regarding pricing is transparent and predictable. Since the services are subscription based, you only have to pay for what services you opt for. Suppose tomorrow your service requirements change. You can easily subscribe to the new services or cut off the current services, and all the expenses will be adjusted accordingly to meet your demands and fulfill their expectations. Your infrastructure must be robust and equipped with modern technologies. Your business must have resources that are stable as well as scalable to sustain in the market. Also, you must be able to alter the infrastructure as per the market needs. With automated common infrastructure activities such as patch management, change requests, monitoring, security, and backup, high-end MSPs such as ours offer full lifecycle services to provision, run, and support your business infrastructure in all possible ways. Free up and house its staff. Businesses need to ensure that their infrastructure is being well maintained, and so there are a number of roles in which the employees have specialized skills. The problem with this setup though is that these skilled workers can't focus on other aspects of running an organization because they're needed for at work. This results in unnecessary expenditure as companies hire more staff just to manage their infrastructural needs. It's time we gave those important people something else productive to do. Outsourcing the work to the cloud saves a lot of time and energy for companies by taking off unnecessary burdens from employees. The team assigned specifically to manage infrastructure issues has experts who can focus on managing your infrastructural changes as well as network management so that your internal staff members are free to concentrate their valuable time making contributions instead. Reliability. Managed services are the most cost-effective way to make your business run smoothly and with a full staff on hand. With managed solutions, you can depend on an outsourced team of techs that will always be available when needed for repairs or downtime management. Managed services work around the clock, so there is no need to worry about going without service at any point in time as long as they're contracted. Managed services keep businesses running smoothly by aiding companies who don't have all their own personnel necessary to maintain such high levels of reliability through different means including 24/7 monitoring and remote support capabilities. The elimination of hiring costly skilled technicians saves money while also reducing downtime since managers ensure everything runs efficiently from afar. Forum Infotech has an uptime of around 99% these days, which means they are monitoring your business every second. This not only ensures reliability but also consistency by detecting and eliminating any and every potential future threat in advance. Improved system availability. Service providers do the most important tasks, so you don't need to hire someone else. Managed services can process large data in very little time at an enhanced speed, which is why a lot of time and money is saved for your business. Apart from that, since everything is taken care of by the managed service providers, your core team can always focus on the more fruitful tasks, such as improving relations with your clients and bringing business to your organization. Compliance management. Nothing scares a company more than encountering compliance issues and being out of line with regulations. That's why companies must take care to ensure they are compliant from day one, or else risk running afoul of some requirement at an inconvenient time down later on, which can cost millions in fines, never mind what it could mean for their reputation if people find out about that mistake. Running a business is no easy feat. You're faced with so many rules and regulations that you can easily get lost in them, fumbling your way through without knowing what's going on legally or not. This leaves the door wide open for legal issues to arise, which may even close down your company due to its hectic nature of constantly jumping back and forth between paperwork and managing client needs at all times. The managed services ensure that all compliance issues are followed and taken care of by their in-house resources. Their professionals work to make sure your company is compliant with the latest regulations so you don't have to. System security. Businesses that don't invest in security measures are doomed. The internet is filled with threats like malware and ransomware, crippling small businesses everywhere, which is why companies should consider outsourcing their to a managed service provider. Managed services offers proactive and 24/7 monitoring of your systems to protect from threat or intrusion. They provide concrete security solutions that can prevent intrusions in the first place and detect them before they have an opportunity for damage. This allows you a carefree service experience without worry about the risks that often come with owning computers, servers, networks, etc. yourself. Disaster recovery service. Data is the beating heart of any business, but without it, your company will collapse. Protecting data from natural disasters and unauthorized access are both vital to maintaining a comfortable survival rate for your enterprise. Oz provides an easy solution with its affordable disaster recovery. Managed service providers like Oz take backups for your data from time to time, protecting you and those who use the servers. They not only protect against disasters that can happen, but offer a concrete solution in case of any unfortunate losses. Cloud managed service providers have the knowledge, expertise, and resources to manage your infrastructure. When you outsource this aspect of your business, you'll free up in-house staff for more important tasks, while also benefiting from a predictable price structure and scalability that will be beneficial as your organization grows. You can also trust these companies with compliance management, system security, and disaster recovery services, so all of your bases are covered when it comes to keeping sensitive data safe. If outsourcing your has been on the back burner because you're unsure if it's right for you or how to make the transition happen seamlessly, contact an expert who is ready and waiting to talk about moving your firm into cloud managed service today. The benefits of cloud computing are endless. From cost savings to increased productivity and scalability, it has everything an organization could want. And with our 24/7 support team available around the clock, we make sure that every customer gets the best possible experience with their new system.